Assalamu alaikum students. Okay
वालेकुम
students.
अस्सलाम मिस।
Okay
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
students. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Okay students, कैसे हैं आप सब? Okay students, I am going to mute you all. Okay, if you have any question, you may raise your hands, and at the end of lesson, I will give you a time. You may ask any question related to topic. Okay students. Now, what we are going to discuss today? Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Yes, students, today topic is very interesting topic and you may enjoy there. Topic is matter. Students, everything in the universe is made of something. Let's have a look at it. The sun, moon, trees, river, rocks, and the air you breathe. They all are found in nature and they all are part of our nature, but they are not made by man. But students, most of the things that are present in nature, but they are made by man. If you look around and the things that are made by man, for example, you see the different things that are present all around you. Students, this time you might be sitting on a chair right now and looking into a laptop or computer. There might be books on your table and a glass of water might be on your table, and there must be a clock on the wall and maybe calendar, and there would be a fan on your ceiling, and there are many other things like bed, sofa, bags, toy, dolls, toys, curtains, doors, chair, and the cycle you ride. There are many things. So students, there are the different things you might see all around you. So students, everything that around us is known as matter. Okay, so students, how do you say about matter? What do you know about matter? Everything that around us is known as matter. But what is matter exactly? What do you know about the matter exactly? Can you define matter? Big question. Students, do you know about matter? But there is a question. Yes, Aisha Arif has raised her hand. Okay, now. Yes, Aisha. Yes. Yes, Aisha Arif. What do you know
Matter is
about matter?
anything. Matter is anything that exists and occupies space.
Yes, that exists and occupied space. Any other student? Only Aisha Arif knows about what is a matter. Because I think you have learned in previous classes in lower secondary sections what is matter. Yes, Bismanur.
Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter.
Very good. It means that some of the students know about what is matter. Okay, let's go ahead. But the scientific answer is that matter is anything that has some mass and takes up space. Yes, Bismanur, you know about the what is matter. And many students know about what is matter, and those who don't know, let's see what is a matter. And students, mass, what is mass? I'm sure you are already aware what is the mass. And you know, mass is actually the amount of matter in an object. Or you can another say that how heavy something is. Yes. And next is, what is volume? Amount of space an object takes up. This is known as volume. Okay, students, and you have learned about mass and volume clearly. If once you know about the what is mass and what is volume, it would be useful for you to clarify the concept of matter too. Students, now you are know about what is the matter and what is the mass and what is the volume. Students, volume is the amount of space something occupies, but different states of matter will fill volume in different ways depending upon how big and little and how long and short the object is. Students, matter comes in different states of matter, and you will study in chapter 5 and you how which states of matter are there, like solid, liquid and gases. And student, have you ever observed that if you ever pour a water into a cup, you notice that liquid takes up space, because once the space inside your glass fills, the water will overflows. Have you observed something is that what is it shows? It shows that matter takes up space, and when there is no space after taking this space, when there will be no space in a container or something else, so water will overflows, which confirms that matter occupies a space. Okay, students, when you drink water, yeah, and you know, if you carry a water bottle with you and you drink from the bottle, it gets lighter and lighter. Have you ever observed it? Why? Because there is a difference between the weight or the mass between the bottle with the water filled with water or the empty bottle. Because the bottle which is filled with the water, it has a mass of water as well, because water is a matter. So matter has a volume and mass as well. So students, finally it is proved that matter, anything that has a mass and a volume, is known as matter. Students, matter is basically, as inshallah we will learn in chapters ahead, matter, there are three states of matter. Basically there are many states, but basically in your level we will study only three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. And you know, student, these states of matter, oh, who is doing this, basically these states of matter are exist in mixtures and substances. Yes, is there any problem? Yes, solid, liquid, and Aisha Arif, gas, liquid, and solid. Bismanur, anything that occupies space and had a mass. Yes. Okay, now it is clear that because it's a very basic concept about the matter. Students, you know, matter exists in mixtures and pure substance. Matter can be mixtures and pure substances. Matter, what are the mixtures? Mixtures are those substances which have the variable composition. Their composition is not fixed, and they are not chemically combined together to give compound or molecule. They are just individual properties of every element or compound or mixture. Okay, students, and matter can also has a pure substance, those substances which have the constant composition, fixed composition, and they have a chemical bond and they join together by chemical bond. So those are substances are known as pure substances. So there are two types of substances of matter: mixtures and pure substances. Mixtures are not pure substances; they are also known as impure substances or mixtures. Students, mixture further has two types: heterogeneous substances or heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. Inshallah, we will discuss in detail in next class. And students, pure substances, what are pure substances? Which have the constant composition, fixed composition, and they are joined together by the chemical bond. And mixtures, and these pure substances are elements and compounds. They may be elements and they may be compounds. You know, elements, we have discussed elements before little bit. So they are the pure substances. Now students, it's enough for you that what is matter we have discussed. I will review some points. What is matter? Matter is the substance and everything, most of the things around us, whether they are living things, non-living things, and are they made by nature or are they made by man, they all are the matters. And there are three states. Generally there are three states of matters: solid, liquid, and gas. And students, what is mass? Amount of substance the object has. And what is volume? The space occupied by a substance that it has. They are the volume. So the substance that has both has the some mass and occupies space. And I have given you an example of water to make you understand about how does matter has a mass and occupies space. And it confirms that matter has some mass and occupies space. You know, matter has three states: common state, solid, liquid, and gas. And this matter can be mixtures and pure substances. And these pure substances and mixtures depend upon their composition. When the matter has fixed composition and then they combine together, they form element and compound, and they are the pure substances. But when there is no any chemical composition, when there is no any chemical reaction takes place, they just mix together, and without any constant composition, so they form a mixtures. And mixtures further divided into two types: heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. While the pure substances which have the constant composition, they might be elements and compounds. Yes. Is it enough for matter? Yes. Next. Now students, kindly note on your homework. Define matter. How many states of matter are there? Which things are not considered as matters? Do all the things are yes, most of the things around us are considered as matter, but some things are still there uh, which are not considered as matter, and it's your homework. Note down those substances which are not considered as matters and list the names of some non-matters. It's your homework. Please kindly note down your homework. Yes, is there any question? Yes. No, if you have any question related to this matter topic, I will reply you right now. But if you have any other topics problem, we will discuss in revision topic. Okay, students, it's your homework. You may Google and find what are the substances which are matters, and you know most of the things you know about that, and but the some things which are not still considered as matters. So it's your homework. Write down and list the name of those substances which are not matter. Okay, have you noted down your homework? Okay, and if you have any question, yes, Noor Fatma and Amar Salman.
Yes, I have question about paper. Yes, अगर हमारा पास
If you have any question related to metal, I will reply you this time about
yes, I
what
have
is matter and how many states of matter. We will discuss states of matter in detail in chapter 5 ahead. And
एक्सक्यूज मी मिस
yes,
मिस ये मैटर का जो आप समझा रही हैं ये पूरा चैप्टर है या सिर्फ एक टॉपिक हिस्सा
topic,
है
it's just a topic, because we will start our topic from the matter, then we will go about the mixtures and elements and compounds in detail. Understood?
सो मिस इसके जो हमें हमें आंसर ढूंढने होंगे वो गूगल करके खुद ढूंढने होंगे
Yes, yes, it's your task. You may find the substances which are matters and which are you know about matters, but which substances, which things are not still considered as matters, and why they are not considered as matters. Okay, so it's your homework. I will check your homework by tomorrow. Any
मिस हमारा जो
ओके मिस नो
मिस हमारा कल टेस्ट है तो मिस उसमें हमें क्लास में ज्वाइन होना है
do you have any question related to matter? It's enough for today.
यस मिस
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, students. About matter we have discussed. Now it's your homework. Note down your homework and submit your homework as soon as possible. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.